So let's take a look at what you are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So first of all, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop an update, instantly you will get the update and you will not miss out on any single update. Now let's see what GBPUSD is going to be giving us for the day. So we've gotten a double rejection at this level. So this is our first rejection and this is our second rejection, looking like a double top before market was able to drop, right? Then it gave us a lower high, which is a pullback phase. Then market was able to give us a lower low. Now we will be expecting market to give us a pullback phase and then one more sell again. So above all, we will be expecting a bearish move for the day on our GBPUSD. So guys, first wait for your pullback. Once the pullback plays out, then in your London section or in your New York section, you can now start looking for a sell that will make GBPUSD to drop one more time. So a bearish move for the day is what to be expecting. If there will be any changes to this moment, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So click on that subscribe button, like and share.